Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to build the website only way. Start by choosing a clear goal and audience, then pick a platform that matches those needs and your skill level. Map out core pages and essential features, and draft simple wireframes to visualize layout. Prioritize mobile responsiveness and performance from the start, and schedule short feedback loops to iterate quickly with real users. In this video, I will show how to build the website only way. Choose a responsive template or builder that fits your brand and customize it thoughtfully. Maintain consistent typography, spacing, and a small color palette for a professional look. Compress images, lazy load media, and combine files where possible to keep pages fast. Test designs on multiple devices and tweak spacing for touch targets, readability, and ease of navigation. In this video, I will show how to build the website only way. Draft clear, helpful content focused on user needs and search intent. Use descriptive titles, meta descriptions, and simple URLs to help discovery. Structure pages with semantic HTML and accessible navigation so everyone can use your site. Add meaningful alt text to images, include calls to action, and plan a content schedule to keep material fresh and engaging for visitors and search engines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.